Today I'm going to share with you how I pack light for my 8 days trip in Perth. So let's get started. So firstly, I'll pack my jeans, my bottom. I'll bring one set of jeans and one set of normal pants. And I'll bring about 4 sets of tops, t-shirts, and I bring a lot of long sleeves because I think Perth is going to be quite cold during this period. And followed by my sleepwear. I only bring one set of sleepwear because I don't think I really need a lot of sleepwear. Then I bring a couple of inner clothing. I think I bring about 3 sets of inner clothing. I brought scarf and bunny in case I get very cold. Packing light can save you money from having to check in your luggage. So I also brought swimwear. I couldn't decide, so I brought 2. One for walking down the beach, the other one just for swimming. So this is the bottom for the swimwear, which is really nice. So I'm really glad I bought it. So I also brought a ultra down jacket in case I get cold, and followed by my bras and underwear. So now let's get packing. Firstly, I'll put in my jeans and pants because they are one of the thickest to go in. As you can tell, I don't really use packing cube. I know a lot of people use packing cube, I just don't really find the need to. And followed by my inner clothes, followed by my sleepwear and all my t-shirts. There is one clothing which I forgot to film, which is one of my blue and white sweater because it was in the laundry. So I didn't film that, but it fits everything in the luggage as well. Okay, so that's how I store all my clothes in one 17-inch luggage. I brought my goggle as well. Okay, I'm done packing the first part of my stuff, which is all the clothing. So now moving on to cosmetic and toiletries. I just bring what I need, not what I want, and I try to bring all those travel size so I don't use up so much space. And also carry on, I think there is a limit to how much you can bring per bottle for liquid, so you gotta check that out. I'll also bring plasters because I tend to forget them. So I bring my drawstring bag in case I don't want to carry my backpack, and 2 pair of socks. So once I'm done, I pack everything in this Ziploc bag, which is the IKEA Ziploc bag, and I fit in everything in once. Now, for the other side of the luggage, I'll pack in my duo jacket plus sweater. I love this because I can switch to either one on different days. But it's pretty thick, so I only bring one of that. Then I will store in my drawstring. Inside the drawstring there's a plastic bag so that I can put my clothes that I really wear. So I store in my toiletries. That bag is my drone bag. My drone's inside. I didn't want to carry my backpack, so I store it there. And all my battery and chargers, and also my spectacle box. So now it's time to clip it on, and I'm done. So I just left to put in my socks, and I'm done. Let's see if I can zip this all up. I have no problem zipping it all up. It's a bit full, but yeah, I mean it's fine. It's just nice, and I'm done. Now moving to my backpack. First and foremost, not forgetting my passport. Or else, yeah, I can just forget about going on this trip. Then I'll bring my tablet so I can watch movies and stuff, and my journal so I can write things down, a pen and my cards. My lip balms and makeups are in the top bag as well, and I bring slippers because I tend to wear boots when I go overseas, but I don't like to wear it when I go through the security because you have to take off your boots. So I tend to change the slippers when I go through the security checks. That is why I put my slipper in my bag instead. I won't forget about my monopod. That is important. And my action camera. I'm using a China action camera because I couldn't afford a GoPro. Also, I bring along my drone propeller protector because I tend to crash my drone. I put everything in pouch and I put it in the front pouch of my bag, followed by my wrist strap for my action camera, earpiece, just in case my friends know where I should be sleeping, and my camera bag. I did not put my camera inside because I'm using the camera to film this video, and my handphone charger, and I put my excess SD cards, micro SD, SDHC cards inside this container so I can easily find them. I bring my thumb drive and all the batteries for my camera and action camera. I put everything in one casing. And also the cables, if I can fit in, I will fit in the casing as well. So it's easier for me to find them. Because I am not an organized person, so I try to be organized while I travel overseas, whereas it's a pain in the butt for me to keep trying to find where to put all this stuff. I'll bring my tripod along. I did not show the tripod because I'm using the tripod as well while filming this video. So I'll attach the tripod with a carabiner on top of the bag. My watch and my sunglasses, I'll put it at the top of my bag and I'm done. Oh yeah, I forgot my power bank. So this is it. This is how I travel light for an 8-day trip to Perth. Thank you for watching.